Magandang araw muli sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating channel sa Lopez Vlog. Sa araw na ito, magkakaroon muli tayo ng self-evaluation dito sa subject na Cybercrime Laws. Okay, 25 katanungan ang inihanda natin upang sukatin ang inyong academic preparations pagdating sa subject na ito. Ang mga kasagutan later on, makikita lamang dito sa ating description box. Alright, so let's start to question number 1. This law is otherwise known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, which addresses all types of cybercrime committed against and by means of computer system. Letter A, Republic Act 10175. Letter B, Republic Act 10157. Letter C, Republic Act number 11075, or letter D, Republic Act number 01175. Question number 2. The cybercrime law contains the following except letter A, substantive penal regulations. Letter B, authority of the law enforcer to issue cease order. Letter C, procedural courses of action, or letter D, international cooperation rules. Number 3. This cybercrime law is punitive in nature. A, true. B, false. C, may be true. Or letter D, may be false. Number 4. When the Cybercrime Prevention Act was signed into law? A, September 12, 2015. Letter B, September 12, 2014. Letter C, September 12, 2013. Or letter D, September 12, 2012. Next, number 5. Any crimes specified and punished by the revised penal code as amended and special laws that are committed by, through, or which the use of information and communication technology are covered by letter A, Cybercrime Prevention Act. Letter B, revised penal code. Letter C, special laws, or letter D, any of them. Number 6. What is cybercrime law all about? A, cybercrime law establishes standards of acceptable behavior for users of information and communication technology. Letter B, it protects ICT users in general and mitigates and or prevent harm to people, data system, services, and infrastructure. In particular, protects human rights. Letter C, this modern day law enables the investigation and prosecution of online crimes and promotes international cooperation on cybercrime issues, or letter D, all of them. Number 7. The Supreme Court ruled that online libel only applies to those who create or punish libelous content, including those who read, comment to, like, or share it. Letter A, true. B, false. C, may be true. Or letter D, may be false. Number 8. In our cybercrime law, who will handle the evaluation and monitoring, including pre-operation, post-operation, and investigation outcomes, as well as any other documentation that may be necessary? A, DILG. B, DSWD. C, PNP. Or letter D, DOJ. Number 9. when what is involved are electronic data which are illegal in nature or operation and can be the object of search and seizure. What kind of warrant is needed? A. Arrest warrant. B. Search warrant. C. Cybercrime warrant. Or letter D. Electronic data warrant. Number 10. The National Cybersecurity Plan main objectives exempt A. Ensuring the continuous operation of the nation's critical information, infrastructures, public and military networks. B. Implementing cyber resiliency measures to improve the ability to respond to threats before, during, and after attacks. Letter C. Effective coordination with law enforcement agencies. And letter D is cybersecurity and mindful society. 11. One of the objectives of National Cybersecurity Plan is the implementing cyber resiliency measure to improve the ability to respond to threats before, during, and after attacks. A. True. B. False. C. May be true. Or letter D. May be false. Number 12. The Supreme Court ruled that online libel only applies to those who create or publish libelous content, not to those who read, comment, to like, or share it. A. True. B. False. C. May be true. Or letter D. May be false. Next, number 13. What year is the Cybercrime Prevention Act took effect? A. 2010. B. 2011. C. 2012. Or letter D. 2014. Number 14. The Cybercrime Prevention Act was signed into law by letter A. President Marcos. Letter B. President Duterte. Letter C. President Aquino. Or letter D. President Robredo. Number 15. The Congress of the Philippines passed Republic Act 10175, often known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, which addresses all types of cybercrime committed against and by means of computer system on September 12, 2012. A. True. B. False. C. May be true. Or letter D. May be false. Alright, so natapos na natin ang ating self-evaluation sa subject na ito. Mangyari lamang na submit na ninyo ang inyong makasagutan using the link na makikita dito sa ating description box. Okay, para naman sa ating mga visitors, nandito sa ating description box yung mga kasagutan. Okay, so hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat. See you again next meeting.